Hello students, 10th CBSE formula, real numbers, LCM into HCF equal to product of two numbers, LCM equal to product of two numbers divided by HCF, HCF equal to product of two numbers divided by LCM. Fundamental theorem of arithmetic. Every composite number can be expressed factorized as a product of primes, and this factorization is unique apart from the order in which the prime factor occur. இதில் LCM HCF வந்து எப்படி Hello students, 10th CBSE formula, pair of linear equations in two variables. Intersecting lines a1, a2 not equal to b1, b2. The two equations are a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0. Another linear equation a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. So coincident lines a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2. Infinitely many solutions.